some video. Now that's clear.
Yes.
And he's moving. Hey, Lewis.
Oh yeah, look at that.
There we go. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Showing me his butt.
He says, "Oh, look at that! Isn't that funny that when you take the video that he's going to do that?" Turn around and pose.
Come on there, dude. See your
He
face.
said, "Look at this." He's doing. He's showing you his groove now. Is that the?
He's getting down.
Yeah, he's getting down. Right. It's funny.
Get real close.
Look at him, boy. He's putting on the moves now. I mean, he's really. Put down the.
There we go. There we go. This side. See how he looks from here.
Yeah, he likes that. Put that camera on.
Ah. Okay. Yeah. I just wish I could get a nice sharp.
Yes. Macro in there.
It's like right in there.
Right there.
That's the.
It's as sharp as you can get.
Yeah.
It's funny. You'd think it would, what do you call them, macro or something like that when you do it in close.